check out thetruckadvisor.com. The showcase truck is a 2004 Peterbilt 387 with a 70-inch premium high roof sleeper. That is a stand-up sleeper. The truck has a C15 Caterpillar rated at 475 horsepower and has a 13-speed transmission. Truck also includes an engine brake, has a sun visor, 3/4 wheel-to-wheel fairings, dual 135-gallon fuel tanks, 10 aluminum wheels on 22.5 low-profile tires. Truck has AG 380 air ride suspension with an air slide fifth wheel, 236-inch wheelbase, 355 gear ratio, and has premium level interior with a 16-gauge package, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, power locks, heated motorized mirrors, and dual air ride seats. If you'd like any additional information about this truck, please feel free to give me a call at 877-263-5665. Thank you.